maganda at mapagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Ngayong gabi, bibigyan po natin ng higit na pagkilala ang mga natatanging individual na talaga naman pong nagpamalas ng kanilang mahusay na paglilingkod upang maiangat ang buhay ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino.
Sa inyo pong lahat, it is my great honor and privilege to welcome you all in this 5th NGO TV Network Bayanihan Filipino Awards Night.
I work the graveyard, the greyhounds 8 days a week. They slammed the door in my face and told me to stop.
Contributed a lot from our own homes, from our own schools, our own companies. Kaya dito po tayong gabi to celebrate our bayanihan spirit. Nation building presupposes that we help our community in our own little way. Mother Teresa of Calcutta, India once said, if you cannot feed 100, feed only one, and that is enough.
I said, I'll keep on grinding till opportunity knocks. No, I ain't going nowhere, like it or not. Everywhere I go, people tell me so. You got what I want, everybody want a little more. Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking.
Thank you so much po. Sa atin lahat po dito, mabuhay po tayo. Mabuhay po ang bayaning Pilipino. Saan man po tayo naroon, OFW. Iba't iba po ang pinanggalingan natin, pamilya, estado ng buhay. Dapat po maging mabuting tao at pantay-pantay po dapat ang tingin natin sa tao. Everyone, good evening and thank you so much po.
Alright, once again, congratulations to our 7th awardee for tonight, Miss Alma Princess Mirano.
Got what I want, everybody want a little more.